Hey fellow YouTubers, this is Stephanie. I'm going here to my Challenger. Gotta do a little cleaning with it, so I got stuck today in the mud like a dummy. Well, at least I found somebody to help me get the car out. I had to clean it up, but I gotta do better than that, so I don't believe I did that. This stupid GPS system took me to a road where the creek was a little bit too high for me to drive the car across, so I tried backing out, and I'm getting stuck in the damn mud. So I'm gonna put a strains right here because I had a little accident. I know accidents do happen. Not to embarrass myself, but it does happen. I know I gotta clean it up a little bit better here. Excuse me, but I'm gonna put y'all down for a little bit. Some paper towels. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep my cleaning stuff in here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, all this. Yeah, look at all this. All this crud coming off my seat. Oh, yeah. All that dirt came out of my seat. Now, you can't see. But, yeah, it happens. I can't believe I was a dummy that did that, but lesson learned. Thanks to that stupid GPS, I just turned to go the other way, but I didn't. But thank God there was somebody there to help me, though. And I'd like to thank that person. I never got his name, but I'd like to thank him if you know who you are and you watch this video. I just want to say thank you for helping me. Bye.